Hello Bertrand, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm preparing a personal video for you for this beautiful 2016 GSX-R1000, 544 kilometers, and the price is $12,388 plus HST and license. This motorcycle is traded in and they have extended warranty until 07/22/2022. Bike is like haven't break in yet. Looks new, very clean motorcycle. The bike is available. If you have some time, come to visit us and see personal, physical this motorcycle, and we see what we can do. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you with more questions. Thank you.